Hi, this is the USDCAD pair, and today it's 28th of May 2013, and right now it's 18:02 GMT. Um, we are looking at the M15 15 minutes chart of the pair. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, and I have superimposed Bollinger Bands, Alligator, the three colored lines, and fractals, the purple arrows. Alligator and fractals are Bill Williams indicators. They come with your MetaTrader as also Ichimoku. This horizontal line shows where our chart signal long entry was given, and this is the vertical line shows the time point where we gave our signal. We had seen, let me take it to bigger time frames, we had seen on M30 and H1 charts this triangle. We were expecting a breakout. It took a while of some movement up and down, but it happened, and it's not late if you enter now. Let me remove those lines now because they make this graph more complicated. Let me show you the bigger picture. We have this triangle on the weekly chart, and we expect this big breakout, which is happening. We also, these two turquoise lines show the previous entries, long entries we had given to our apps users. Now I'm going to go back to the M15. You can enter now, it is not late. First of all, you check that M5 chart is 100% bullish. It is. Price goes up. The green line, Chiku span, is above past price action, and Tenkan Sen, Kidzen Sen from Ichimoku. Let me take out Alligator, Bollinger Bands, and Fractal for now. So, Tenkan Sen, the red line, Kidzen Sen, they go up, they slope upwards, and the leading Kumo edge is sharp, pointing upwards. Of course, price is above the Kumo. This is 100% bullish. We go to M15, 100% bullish, wildly bullish, although the edge of leading Kumo was a bit flattened because of this plunge, of this minor corrective, bearish corrective move, but it is bullish. And look at this slope, at this angle, it goes almost vertically up. That's important. Look at the geometry of the Kumo as well. So M30 clearly bullish. Chiku span, look at it, it goes straight up above past price action. Kumo was horizontal, and now it has this slope. It's been curved here and flat for a while because of this downward move, but it will get sharp, pointing upwards. Always look at this edge of the leading Kumo. H1 chart, definitely bullish. Leading Kumo has a sharp edge pointing upwards. Chiku span above past price action going straight up, and we have a bullish crossover of Tenkan Sen and Kidzen Sen. And we had the Kumo breakout here, but then price was attracted by the Kumo for a while because flat top of Kumo acted as a magnet, and now it went out. It escaped this magnet's attraction. And H4 definitely bullish. We see the leading Kumo, which is bullish with this upward slope, this angle. We see the edges sharp pointing upwards, totally bullish. Chiku span, the green line looking upwards. Tenkan Sen, the red line, Kijun Sen, the blue line sloping upwards and below price action. Daily chart, no need to repeat, everything bullish. Look at how sharp pointing upwards the leading Kumo edge is. And even on the weekly chart, we see the leading Kumo, the edge started going up and being sharp. Okay? The price has a way to go on the monthly chart, but although it's below the bearish Kumo, things look bullish, but on the monthly chart, on the big picture, things are not clearly bullish yet. But it doesn't matter because we have so many of the other time frames agreeing with each other. And now, although it's not necessary here, but I will superimpose the Bollinger Bands, the fractals and alligator, so you can see what I'm looking at, where I want those systems to agree with Ichimoku. So, on the M5 chart, we see leading alligator turned upwards, and Bollinger Bands opening, their edges are opening outwards. That shows that extreme price action is going to happen on one of the edges of the bands where price is. Where is price? On the upper band. So we expect extreme bullish action. And the last valid fractals were below alligator's teeth, the red line, and the leading alligator was turned upwards, and the fractal was below median line of Bollinger Bands. M15, straight up leading alligator, no need to say more. M30, straight up. H1, straight up. H4, straight up. D1, straight up. Weekly turned upwards. Okay, so you plan your entry from a small time frame. You pick your entry. You put your stop below a fractal, a few pips below a fractal. Although the pair has big fluctuations, be flexible with your stop placement, and happy pips.